fat man with no arms or legs. Tomorrow is a fat man with no arms or legs. And I know him pretty well, and I think I'll guarantee you that the fucker's gonna roll around inevitably, because tomorrow is a fat man with no arms or legs. Today I saw him rolling, he was rolling over this way. Today I saw him rolling over to say good day. And though I tried to run, I didn't get far, and he crushed me like a steamroller rolling over top. Today I saw him rolling, he was rolling over this way. now. Hold on.
Be headed for the serious strife. Now you make the scene all day, but tomorrow they'll be held to pay. In the afterlife, you could be headed for the serious strife. Now you make the scene all day, but tomorrow they'll be held to pay. People listen attentively, I mean about future calamity. I used to think the idea was obsolete until I heard the old man stamping his feet. Where eternally fire is applied to the body. Teeth are extruded and bones are ground and baked into cakes which are passed around. In the afterlife, you could be headed for the serious strife. Now you make the scene all day, but tomorrow they'll be held to pay.
Take my hand and come with me because you look so fine that I really want to make you mine. I say you look so fine that I really want to make you mine. 4, 5, 6, come on and get your kicks. Now you don't need the money when you look like that, do you, honey? Big black boots, long brown hair. She's so sweet with her get back stare. Well, I could see you home with me, but you were with another man, yeah. I know we ain't got much to say before I let you get away, yeah. I said, are you gonna be my girl? Take my hand and come with me because you look so fine that I really want to make you mine. I say you look so fine that I really want to make you mine. 4, 5, 6, come on and get your kicks. Now you don't need the money with a face like that, do ya?
Take to the highway, won't you lend me your name? Your way and my way, they seem to be one and the same. Mama don't understand it. She wants to know where I've been. I'd have to be some kind of natural born fool to wanna pass that way again. But you know I could feel it on a country road. Sail on home to Jesus, won't you, good girls and boys? I'm all in pieces, you can have your own choice. But I can hear a heavenly band full of angels, and they're coming to set me free. I don't know nothing about the wild wind, but I can tell you that it's bound to be, because I could feel it, child, yeah.
Here they come. So this bit of scenery up here.
I guess my feet know where they want me to go. Walking on a country road, yeah. Take to the highway, won't you lend me your name? Your way, my way, they seem to be one and the same, child. Mama don't understand it. She wants to know where I've been. I have to be some kind of natural born fool. I wanna pass that way again, but I could feel it low on a country road. Walk on down, walk on down, walk on down, walk on down, walk on down a country road. La 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 la.
Doggone almighty, let me tell the news. My head got wet in midnight dew. Great God, I've been down on my bending knees, talking to a man from Galilee. My God spoke and he sounded so sweet. I thought I heard the shuffle of angels' feet. He put one hand upon my head. Great God almighty, let me tell you what he said. Go tell that lonesome liar, go tell that midnight rider,